Mina wewe tuweke issues mbele, tuweke Kenya mbele.
In 2016, and when I talk about technology, I'm talking about coverage with respect to 3G and above, which is the technology that allows transmission of, or rather connectivity to the internet and therefore transmission of the election results, which is in picture format actually. So in 2016, we are informed that there were slightly over 11,000 polling stations that were not covered. And on the basis of that analysis, actually, we confirmed that in 2016, 2017, the coverage of 3G and above in this country was just about 78% of the population. But based on the various initiatives targeting to enhance that coverage, today we are proud to say that over 96% of the population of Kenyans are covered either by 3G or 4G. The reason we were able to move very quickly is because, one, we were assisted by the rapid deployment of 3G and 4G in this country by way of converting the 2G coverage that was existing then into 3G and 4G. In fact, in most cases, it was 4G. So we have moved from 78% to 96.4% in terms of the population. Based on our recent in-depth analysis of this coverage vis-a-vis the IEBC polling centers, we did come up with a very, very correlated figure, which is that just under 4% of the polling centers remain uncovered. And you can see this really correlates very closely with the 3.6% of the population that are not covered by, generally by 3G or 4G. This then left us, according to our analysis, with just under 1,111 as of April this year of the polling centers, which in our in the figures that we were given by IBC, there were just over, slightly over 27,000. So, in general, what I can say is that we are obviously in a much better situation than we were in 2017, but we are not necessarily out of the woods yet. We still have areas that are not covered, and this is where we start thinking about alternative technologies. We need to quickly think about alternative technologies. Fortunately, we are aware that that there are technologies like satellite technology, which is very ubiquitous. In other words, it is able to cover every inch of the country. I must, at this point, just indicate that this is not a unique situation to Kenya. I don't, except for small island states or very small countries like Singapore and the rest, you can never really achieve 100% coverage in terms of every square inch. It is next to impossible. But suffice to say that in terms of terrestrial technologies, yes, that is difficult, but with satellite communication, you are able to arrive at that level of coverage of 100%.